Hi, this is Shawn Hermosillo with W Real Estate, the Hermosillo Group. And I had a recent question on what upgrades do I need to do to maximize the return on investment before they sell their home. There's three key points that we're going to go over in this short segment. So selling your home is an exciting opportunity to maximize the value by doing certain strategic updates to make it more valuable in the eyes of the buyer so they pick your home versus the competition. While selling your home can be super exciting, there's some certain areas that you need to focus on when preparing your home for sale. Key point number one, the best upgrade is the completed one. When you're out starting this whole process of preparing your home for sale, be sure to pick the right projects that you know for certain you can finish, because if you get a project halfway completed and you go on market, it may prevent the buyer from getting the necessary loan because you have a kitchen that's partially dismantled and their type of loan may not approve of that. So the best upgrade is the one that you actually can complete. Key point number two, focus on high impact and cost-effective upgrades. Prioritize and update and deliver the maximum impact without breaking the bank. Cleanliness inside and out is the best way to boost impressions. Upon the person driving up in their car and seeing a beautifully well-kept landscape to the first walking into the home and seeing it sparsely furnished, that's the best way to boost impressions when a person's walking into a home. Fresh paint is another key factor. Neutral, clean, soft colors instead of the bright red or bright orange that it's not very appealing for the buyers. So a fresh coat of paint always will help out. New flooring is a critical factor. If you have outdated or worn carpet or chipped tiles, that really affects the first impression of the home. So those are the three basic ways to improve cost effectively and quickly your appearance of the home so it can get the best return on investment. Key point number three, choosing the right contractor is probably the most difficult, but will be the most beneficial if you're able to actually find the right contractor, which we have a list of great contractors to refer you anyways. So before you start on any project, you need to focus on three specific areas: time, budget, and contractor selection. We have to assess how much time you're truly going to need to complete the project in a timely manner so you can also prepare for where you're moving to next. Budget. Define upfront how much money you need, and there's some contractors that will actually bill escrow. So there's ways to work with certain contractors, and that's leading into the next section of contractor selection. Not the cheapest, not the most expensive, but the person that can get it done on time in a timely manner within the budget. That is the biggest key for you to be successful of getting the most for your return on investment when you're looking to upgrade your home prior to selling. So once again, if you're considering selling in the near future, please feel free to contact us and we will do a complimentary consultation going over the best upgrades for the time that you have and the budget that you have. Not to mention, we have a great list of contractors that we've worked with in the past that helped many homeowners maximize their sales price by doing the appropriate upgrades. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, please shoot us a text, give us a phone call, or send us an email. Have a great day.